Welcome to Product Plus. From smart kitchen gadgets and versatile cooking appliances to innovative home organizers, high-tech cleaning tools, and wellness devices, these 20 products combine convenience, efficiency, and style to simplify daily life and elevate your home experience. All products links in the description section below. Blending smart design with daily convenience, this modern kitchen sink adds a refreshing touch to any cooking space. The honeycomb stainless steel helps reduce noise, while the double waterfall feature makes rinsing fruits, veggies, and cookware feel effortless. Its pull-out faucet, cup washer, and built-in purification options turn everyday tasks into smoother, quicker moments. If you enjoy a clean, organized setup that supports a busy lifestyle, this upgrade fits right in. Practical, stylish, and surprisingly fun to use. With a current price of $251.59, it easily enhances your kitchen experience in a meaningful way today. Bringing precision into your kitchen doesn't have to feel complicated. This sleek Suze Viti machine makes gourmet-level cooking surprisingly easy. With its smart app guidance, you can choose your perfect doneness, set it, and get on with your day while it quietly handles the rest. The Turbo Mode is a game-changer for busy routines, delivering tender meats and delicate fish in half the usual time. Whether you're experimenting with new recipes or streamlining weeknight meals, it fits effortlessly into your lifestyle. And at $199.95, it elevates home cooking with impressive consistency every time. Creating a cozy, functional bedroom becomes much easier when furniture works as hard as this twin bed frame. With built-in LED lighting, adjustable brightness, and smartphone control, it sets the perfect mood for relaxing, reading, or unwinding after a long day. The charging ports keep your devices powered, while roomy drawers help you stay organized without cluttering your space. Its sturdy steel frame and adjustable headboard make it both comfortable and reliable. If you've been wanting a smart upgrade that blends style with practicality, the current price of $152.99 makes it especially worthwhile for your room right now. Bringing true relaxation into your home becomes effortless with a massage chair designed to match your daily rhythm. This 4D model blends deep kneading, heat therapy, and zero-gravity comfort to melt away tension after long hours of work or travel. The extended SL track follows your body's natural curve, while voice control and preset modes make unwinding as simple as saying a command. Add soothing foot rollers and a calming stretch routine, and it turns any evening into a spa-like escape. At $1,823.04, it's a meaningful investment in your everyday comfort. Starting your morning with cafe-quality coffee feels effortless when the machine does the hard work for you. This fully automatic espresso maker grinds, doses, froths, and brews with just a tap, letting you enjoy everything from bold espresso to creamy lattes without leaving home. The built-in grinder and smart dosing keep every cup consistent, while the milk system makes silky foam surprisingly easy. Its durable construction fits beautifully into any kitchen routine, especially if you appreciate convenience with a premium touch. And at $949.99, it elevates every sip from the very first pour. Making mornings smoother often starts with the little things, and this smart toaster adds a surprising amount of convenience to your routine. Its auto-lowering feature feels almost futuristic, gently taking care of your toast without any levers. With mid-cycle peak, touchscreen controls, and customizable shade settings, it helps you get breakfast just the way you like it. The Keep Warm function is perfect for busy moments when you're multitasking but still want warm, perfectly timed toast. If you enjoy upgrades that simplify daily habits, the current $96.03 price makes it easy to enhance breakfast effortlessly. Keeping your kitchen organized feels a lot easier when storage works with your space instead of crowding it. This corner bread box does exactly that, giving you two roomy compartments that keep different loaves fresh without mixing flavors. Its airtight design helps homemade bread last longer, while the real bamboo build adds a warm, vintage touch to your countertop. If you love baking or just want clutter-free convenience, this clever corner setup fits right in and frees up space you didn't know you had. At $48.99, it's a simple upgrade that improves daily storage. Staying organized feels a lot easier when your storage adapts to busy routines, and these stackable bins make that shift almost instantly. Their foldable design pops open in seconds, giving you roomy space for seasonal items, clothes, decor, or everyday clutter. The dual opening doors add quick access, while the transparent front keeps everything visible without digging. Built-in wheels make sliding them around simple, even in tight spaces. Whether you're decluttering a dorm, closet, or apartment, these bins offer a smooth upgrade that keeps life flowing neatly. At $85.49, they bring practical order to every storage corner. Preparing meals for family gatherings or busy holiday seasons becomes noticeably easier with this versatile 20-quart roaster oven. Its generous capacity handles everything from whole turkeys to casseroles, while the self-basting lid keeps food moist and deeply flavorful without constant checking. With full-range temperature control and a defrost function that saves hours, you can cook confidently even on tight schedules. The removable pan and lift-out rack make cleanup simple, helping you move from cooking to relaxing much faster. At $119.99, this roaster brings dependable convenience to every kitchen routine. Enjoying the perfect cup of tea or coffee becomes effortless when your kettle works as smart as you do. This electric kettle pairs precision temperature control with a built-in infuser, letting you brew loose-leaf tea or heat water exactly how you like it. The LED display, app connectivity, and voice control make daily use seamless, while the keep warm and auto shut-off features add convenience and safety. Whether for quiet mornings or social gatherings, it fits smoothly into any routine. At $59.80, it's a simple upgrade that enhances every beverage experience. Meal prep becomes faster and more enjoyable when your kitchen tools handle the heavy lifting. This 4-in-1 electric vegetable dicer effortlessly slices, dices, shreds, and strips a variety of produce, turning onions, potatoes, and cabbage into ready-to-cook pieces in seconds. Its quiet copper motor and large feeding chute make it ideal for extended use at home or in a professional setting, while cleanup is quick and simple. If you love saving time without sacrificing quality, this versatile chopper fits perfectly into your routine. At $269.99, it's a smart upgrade for effortless daily cooking. Creating frozen treats at home becomes effortless with this family-sized ice cream maker. From soft serve and sorbet to milkshakes and frozen cocktails, its versatile 15-inch-1 design lets you explore endless flavors without pre-freezing. The quiet, built-in compressor delivers creamy results in just 15 minutes, while the self-cleaning mode makes cleanup simple. With multiple texture settings, everyone can enjoy their preferred consistency, whether creamy or firm. Perfect for family fun, entertaining, or experimenting with new recipes, it brings creativity and convenience together. At $397, it's a delightful addition to your home dessert adventures. Grating cheese and chocolate has never been easier with this heavy-duty electric grater. Its 3 interchangeable blades let you achieve fine, coarse, or shaved textures in seconds, while the one-touch operation keeps your prep effortless. Compact yet durable, it stores neatly in the refrigerator to keep ingredients fresh, and cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe components. Perfect for busy weeknights or entertaining friends, it saves time without compromising precision. Whether crafting pizzas, tacos, or gourmet dishes, this versatile kitchen tool fits seamlessly into your routine. At $149.95, it's a smart choice for everyday culinary convenience. Keeping your family organized has never been easier with this smart digital chore chart. Featuring a 24-inch touchscreen, it syncs seamlessly with Google, Apple, and Outlook calendars, allowing everyone to stay updated on schedules, chores, and meals. Assign tasks with reminders, track progress, and motivate kids with the built-in reward system. The customizable dashboard lets you display calendars, meal planners, weather, and media widgets to fit your space perfectly. Streamline daily routines while fostering responsibility and teamwork. At $594.99, it's the perfect tool for family life management. Bring your music to life with the Bang & Olufsen Be a Sound Level, a portable Wi-Fi multi-room speaker designed for audiophiles. With crystal clear high-resolution sound, deep bass, and perfectly balanced tones, it transforms any room into a premium listening experience. Its intuitive Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control music from all your favorite devices, while the speaker adapts its audio profile to fit any space. Built with modular, sustainable materials and offering up to 16 hours of playtime, it's the ultimate combination of style, performance, and convenience at $2,000 to $150. Take control of your health with the Homer's Smart Scale, a full-body composition analyzer designed for precision and convenience. Using advanced 8-electrode, dual-frequency biotechnology, it measures weight, body fat, muscle mass, hydration, bone density, and over 50 other metrics. The large TFT display offers easy-to-read results, while app connectivity syncs 90 days of data for up to 50 users. With segmental body scanning, built-in rechargeable battery, and sleek design, this scale turns everyday weighing into a comprehensive, family-friendly health monitoring experience at $99.99. Transform your KitchenAid into a pasta powerhouse with the Entree 3-in-1 Pasta Maker Attachment. Designed for effortless homemade pasta, this set includes a pasta sheet roller, spaghetti cutter, and fettuccine cutter, allowing you to create fresh, perfectly cut noodles in minutes. With 8 adjustable thickness settings, a sturdy stainless steel build, and a handy pasta drying rack, it ensures both precision and convenience. Compact, easy to clean, and ideal for culinary enthusiasts, this attachment makes preparing restaurant-quality pasta at home simple and enjoyable, perfect for family meals or impressing guests. Now available at $63.70. Show off your sneaker collection in style with the BroView SmartShoe display box, featuring bright LED lights, an automatic door, and sliding tray. It combines convenience with a striking visual display. Made from durable ABS plus PC material, these stackable boxes protect shoes from dust while offering easy access via remote control. Perfect for collectors, each box highlights your favorite sneakers, high heels, or even small collectibles. With its modern, transparent design and effortless stacking capability, this 8-pack set transforms any room into a sleek, organized showcase haul for $645.99 during the Black Friday deal. Upgrade your kitchen with the Green Pan Rice Cooker, a versatile appliance that cooks up to 8 cups of rice or grains with fuzzy logic technology for perfect results every time. Its low-carb mode reduces starch by up to 33%, while 10 one-touch presets cover rice, quinoa, beans, oats, and even soups. The included PFAS-free ceramic steamer basket lets you steam vegetables or fish simultaneously, complete with measuring cup, spatula, and carb reduction tray. This dishwasher-safe, graphite-colored cooker simplifies meal prep, offering healthy, flavorful results with minimal effort. Now $94.03 during Black Friday savings. Make window cleaning effortless with the Ecovacs WinBot W1 Pro, a smart robot designed to save time and eliminate the hassle of manual scrubbing. Featuring dual crosswater spray technology and 1,800 Pascal suction, it dissolves stubborn stains while keeping surfaces consistently damp. The WinSlam 3.0 path planning ensures thorough cleaning, including edges and frameless glass, while edge detection guarantees safety and precision. Controlled via app, it remembers its starting point and handles large windows effortlessly. Complete with safety rope, mops, and reservoir, This $199.99 cleaning robot transforms home maintenance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comment section below.